Promotions here. Hope everyone's having a great start to the new year. In this video, it's going to be kind of short. I'm just going to be doing a cold start of my 2014 Lexus is350. It's currently negative 13 or 14 degrees outside, so it's pretty cold. So let's get to it. So it says it's 19 degrees on the temperature gauge right there, but that thing's never right. I mean, it's close, but let's see what the weather says on here. Continue. Alright, so it's -2. I was a bit off. But it's still pretty cold. As you can see, my car's covered in snow all the way around. I probably have to give it like 10 or so minutes to warm up completely. I hate how these cars didn't come with push to start. I wish they did in circumstances like this, so I didn't have to come out into freezing cold. But yeah, that's the video. If you guys like it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Lexus and car related videos. Hope you guys have a good day, and peace out.